that is something that can literally make or break your Etsy shop. Ranking on Etsy and actually showing up in search. Because let's be real, you can have great products, amazing photos, and a beautiful store overall. But if nobody sees your listings, you will not be making sales. So in this video, I'm sharing 3 proven strategies to rank higher in Etsy search. And yes, we'll be using EverBee, my favorite keyword research tool for Etsy. So let's get started. So strategy number 1, use data-backed keywords with EverBee. This is the most powerful SEO hack on Etsy right now. If you're guessing what title, what tags, what keywords to add in the description, well, then you're not really on the road to success and you're missing out on traffic. EverBee changes that for you. Let me tell you about it. It is a free Google Chrome extension that you can install right away using the link below. And then it shows you real keyword search volume, competition levels, actual sales estimates for listings and entire stores, and top performing tags and titles in your niche or for the type of products that you research in EverBee. So here's how I use it for my store. You install EverBee and open Etsy. Then you type in a keyword like bridesmaid gift or mama sweatshirt. You run the product analytics or keyword research tool. You look for long tail keywords that have high demand and low competition and use those in your product titles, tags, and descriptions. So for an example, instead of personalized mug for your print-on-demand store, for example, you can try custom name coffee mug, bridesmaid gift idea for wedding morning. So EverBee takes out the guesswork out of actually posting products and finding keywords that work for your Etsy store. It helps you write listings that actually rank, but before you write those listings and those titles and those tags, it is important to use EverBee for research. So before you actually create your product. If you already have listings posted on your Etsy store, you can use EverBee to refresh your listings. So by grabbing it with the link below, you can install it and then you can analyze every single one of your listings, see which keywords you're missing out on, see what keywords are popular right now, and what can you add to freshen up your listings and make them rank in search. Now, strategy number 2 is to optimize your first 5 words because they matter the most. This is something that most sellers don't realize, that the first 4 to 5 words in their Etsy listing, in their title, matter the most to the search engine in itself. When a buyer searches for something in the Etsy search bar, that is what is getting looked at first. So those are the most important keywords you want to focus on. So instead of starting your Etsy listing name with something like so cute or super cute tote bag, instead you can add clear, relevant keywords that again you can find with EverBee. For every single keyword that you will be seeing in EverBee, you will have a keyword score. And you want that keyword score to be the highest possible. And you want to look at the competition for that keyword and at the search volume. You want a huge search volume and low competition or medium competition if you're a beginner store. Let's say you're selling a personalized tote bag. What is a bad title for that? A bad title will be custom tote, stylish gift for her. Here's a better one. Personalized bridesmaid tote bag, custom wedding party gift. Do you see how much more searchable that title is and how it can be picked up in search by the Etsy algorithm? By using EverBee to find terms to add to your product's titles, you can structure your title smarter and get found in search. And one of my favorite strategies, the third strategy, is to list more items by doubling down on what already worked for your shop. When a product is already popular, is already a bestseller, when you double down on that product and create it kind of the same but a bit different, for example, with Instagram graphics, for example, you can create them for jewelry sellers, but then if that worked really well, you can duplicate that listing, leave most of the keywords the same exact way, the description, everything, but then just double down on that by creating it for skincare or for fashion and create the same exact product for a different niche, for example, or change the color. So a good strategy is to use EverBee to find trending products in your niche. You can launch 5 to 10 products based on different styles or themes. You can track which ones get the most views, clicks, and sales. And once something starts to work, make more like it. So variations, bundles, seasonal versions, different colors versions, different niches versions. But one tip that I have is to duplicate the listing that you already have that is a bestseller, and then just modify a few things about it, like 1-2 keyword here and there, but making the product different. For example, if one of your print-on-demand funny teacher sweatshirt is getting a lot of traction, you can try creating more like it. For example, make a fall version, a holiday edition, one with custom student names. Turn it into a mug or a sticker as well. This is how Etsy shops scale, by doing what is already working on Etsy, but making it into your own style, into your own branding, and for your ideal customer. And EverBee helps you validate all of that with real-time sales estimates for different stores, for different listings, and competition checks as well. But also with the daily trends feature, you can see exactly when a product started to spike in sales. So you can check that out for every single product and see exactly when that type of product starts to sell more. This way you can spend less time guessing and more time focusing on what actually works and selling. So make sure to install EverBee with the link below. They also have a free plan so you can try it out, and then you can invest in it if you feel like it will help you grow your Etsy store, which I honestly believe it will. So there you go. These are my top 3 strategies for growing sales and for ranking in search on Etsy. If you've enjoyed the video, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!